is Lolly Johnson, and I worked in the Auburn equipment room this summer. Some of my daily tasks involve taking end of the year inventory, new inventory, and dealing with overstock, all with the Olympic sports at Auburn. I secured my internship by reaching out to my boss that I ended up having. I met him through Auburn cheerleading, and we had a meeting and ended up working out the details, and thankfully it was an easy process. Something I enjoyed the most was getting to know my coworkers and following them around and seeing what they do during a day and seeing what they do differently than their other coworkers. Something I learned was how important organizational skills are and communication skills and the importance of a fun atmosphere. And some tips that I would give to a future intern would be to embrace the good and the bad and have a good attitude about it, and to create relationships with your coworkers. And I'm also wearing some of the merchandise that I got along with a lot of others.